Get a feel for the 2020 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle still has fewer than 15,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This family-friendly Volkswagen Passat has the interior space and passenger amenities to make the journey relaxing and comfortable for everyone on board. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, multi-zone AC. Get the family car you need without sacrificing the fun you want. Have it all in this Passat. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.